11/2021, and I am in Florianopolis. And coincidentally, I ended up at the same restaurant that I initially saw on a YouTube video discussing the Brazilian oysters. I read the menu, which they transcribed into English, which was really cool. They told the story of the place and everything. And the first thing they said was that they transplanted Pacific oysters here in order to actually commercialize the oysters and get them, uncontaminated and stuff like that. Because at first they were just growing wild, just on the rocks. And so I'm a bit disappointed, but we'll see. Most of the menu is steamed oysters, which lets me know right away that they must not have much of a taste if they're steaming most of them. I did get the raw, so we'll see how that goes. And they do have like some squid and some octopus and some cod and stuff like that. So if the first dozen is not so great, then I may just get another dish to kind of fill me for the night. But looking forward to spending at least another day here and just checking everything out and relaxing. Maybe tomorrow there'll be some sun, I can hit the beach. But it's really nice though. Nice bay town, all the lights and everything out there. Now this is the bay. So before I was in Campeche Beach on the ocean side. This is the bay side, closer to the mainland.